that we braved the Boston Blizzard, killer of at least 3 ants, because I stood on an ant thing a minute ago. There's a limo. Limo in the snow. Limo in the snow. Look how deep it is. It's insane. As you can see, there's nobody up there. There's nobody down there. There's just 2 Irish idiots walking around in the snow on their honeymoon, looking for swingers. It's the kind of wedding thing, marriage we have.
Wedding thing.
Yeah, people know what I'm talking about.
Down there is if you walk down that way.
I think I got frostbite now. What?
That's where those people. That's where those nice gaffs were. Am I wrong?
Possibly. Oh, Jesus. Right, put my hand back in my pocket. There's the snow plows. Keep driving around in circles. They're in the roads. Put my hand back in my pocket because it's actually frozen solid.